Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a skeleton, glow in the dark skeleton design. I had meant to do more Halloween designs this year, but it just didn't work out. I didn't plan very well. So today, once peely base dries, I'll be going in with a coat of one coat black on all of the nails, and then we will be going in. I'm going to be using two different stamping plates today. I'm going to be using this one. This is Bundle Monster. It's something else now, I believe. The 413 plate, and I'm going to be using this cute little skeleton guy here. And then for my other plate, this is the Ejiubas 04 plate. This is the plate that I used last week, last week. And I'm going to be using this cute little skeleton guy here without the halo looking thing. And I'm also going to be using two of these little skulls here on the other side. Alright, so going to probably go ahead and do two coats of one coat black, and then we'll start with the stamping. Just kidding, I did one coat of one coat black. I forgot this was my older one, and it's pretty thick, so one coat was more than plenty. So now we're going to move on to the stamping. As you can see, I did a little bit of cleanup off camera. We're going to start with this little guy right here, and he's going on one of these two fingers, either the ring finger or the pointer finger. It doesn't really matter which one, because there's going to be a skeleton on each side and then the two heads in the middle. Okay, so clean the plate real quick, and then for my stamping polish I am using one from Queen. This one is called Pure White. I had to make sure to shake it up really super good. I'm just going to brush this over our skeleton. Scrape. Stamp. And then of course I don't want the rest of all of this. So I'm just going to gently take a lint roller to it. Okay. And to finish off this design, I'm going to be using glow-in-the-dark top coat. I'm going to clean my plate so I don't put it up messy. Okay, we're going to put all of our stamping things to the side. And for glow-in-the-dark top coat, I'm going to apply it over the entire nail, and you'll be able to see a faint glow over the black, but it won't be as intense as it is over the white polish, and so it'll kind of give the effect that the skeleton is actually glowing and casting a light. Anyway, that's the way it looks to me anyway. I am going to apply this to all of the nails, even the nails that don't have stamping. Okay, now that I have given that plenty of time to dry, I'm going in with my top coat. I'm using Seche Vite. Okay, here's the final result. I have been charging them under the lamp. Going to turn off the light in 3, 2, 1. And there you go. You can see that over the black it gives the faintest of glows. So you can, like the white, over the white it really pops. But yeah, turning the light back on in 3, 2, 1. And on camera you can't see the faint glow over the nails that don't have any stamping, but in person you can see the faint glow. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this design. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, hit the like button, all of the things. As of recording this video, I have hit 100 subscribers, and that is such a milestone, and I just want to thank everyone who is subscribed and watches my videos and interacts and comments, and I'm really thankful for you guys. But yeah, with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will start fall designs starting next week. My birthday manicure will be in a couple of weeks, and I think that's it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.